and I'll be your Rust instructor for today. I'll be talking about introduction to Rust and blockchain. So what you should expect in this video is introduction to Rust and blockchain. Objective should be what is Rust. By the end of this video, you should know what Rust is, what blockchain is, Rust in blockchain, but we'll not go into hands-on example for now. So what is Rust? Rust is a system programming language focused on safety, performance, and concurrency. Some key features to note should be memory safety. That means no data erasing by ownership model. So Rust has this special functionality called ownership. Ownership is like binding something like a variable name when you're declaring a variable like x equals to 5, or let me just use a return. So imagine going to a market and you're purchasing a phone. So you pay, they give you a receipt and your phone. That phone automatically belongs to you. You are the owner of that phone. So using that now, Ross will allocate like a data, a memory space for that. That's why Rust is memory safe. Then performance, it has no garbage collector. In concurrency, it has safe multi-threading with async and wait. And then ecosystem like Cargo, Package Manager, then Create.io. And what is blockchain? Blockchain is a decentralized, immutable ledger for recording transactions across networks. Some key components such as decentralization, transparency, security. So decentralization is no single point of control. The security means it's going to take longer time for hackers to break into the system. It does not mean that it's not possible, but I don't believe that there's something called 100% security. Then when you're talking about consensus, we have mechanisms like proof of work, which is used in Bitcoin, and then proof of stake, which is used in Ethereum. So proof of work is like doing so much computation to verify and add a block to the blockchain. Then smart contract being a self-executing contract on a blockchain means everything is just the logic developers wrote, and it's just going to be executing based on the logic written. Then blocks are like they store transaction in, just look at block as a container that has so many transactions inside. So they are added together to using cryptographic hashes. So why do we use ROS for blockchain? We use ROS for blockchain because of the safety. It prevents blocking in critical blockchain systems for performance, efficiency for node implementation, and cryptographic operation. In concurrency, it handles multiple transactions and network requests safely. Ecosystem like libraries for Rust Bitcoin, like we have libraries for Bitcoin for Rust. Then for Ethereum to Solana, Polkadot, Stellar, and so on. Then Rust in blockchain. Where do we use Rust exactly? We use Rust to write smart contracts. We use Rust for node implementation. We use Rust for cryptography. We use Rust for tooling. So this is the end of the video, and thank you.